Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 8i and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. Here we have to find the build number, which should be in the version. Let's tap on the version, and as you can see on the very first position we've got the build number. So all you have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in a developer mode. So now we can go back to the general settings and we have to find additional settings. Let's tap on it. And now let's scroll down here. Here we've got the developer options, so let's tap. And as you can see here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example we can show view updates, we can change the transition animation zoom, we can customize some options which are connected to the Bluetooth, we can show the visual feedback for tabs, and so on and so on. So we've got a lot of options to personalize. So in order to turn on the feature, for example, just tap on it or on the switcher on it, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher. So if you've got the options without the switcher, like for example here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, if you'd like to turn them off, just go back to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher near developer options. And after tapping on it, as you can see, all the options which were here simply disappeared. Of course, you can turn them on the same way, and after getting back, you can see that the developer options disappeared from the additional settings, but of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your Realme 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.